Hello everyone, today we have a 2020 Honda CR-V. This has all-wheel drive and that is running smooth. So I'm going to go ahead and close this up, take it for a tour. Okay, and you see it does have a lot of LEDs on it and they appear to flicker because of the refresh rate of the camera. They don't flicker to the human eye. See that it does have fog lights up front, alloy wheels. This one also has a sunroof. A lot of storage space here in the back. Here's your sunroof. See that it does have fabric seats. It does have two chargers right there. There's your VIN right there, and I will upload some still photos as I know we go fairly quickly. And there's that sunroof up there. Okay, and as you look down here, you're going to see that it has 11,937 miles on this vehicle. I'm going to come over here and turn the stereo down. So
Xfinity could do for your house.
That sounds good. I'll just go ahead and turn all this down so you can hear me better. And then right here you have your push to talk and your trip computer toggles, your cruise control, and right here you've got your push button start, heated front seats, and your other comfort controls. You got your econ, your auto start stop, your shifter, park brake. As you come down here, you got two different power sources right there. And then here you've got your key fob, and you see that it does have a push button remote start. All right, and then additional stowage down there. As you come up here, we can look at the stereo sources. And that shows that it has FM, AM, Sirius XM, USB, Bluetooth, bounce on home. You got Honda Link, your instrument panel settings, there are your Bluetooth settings, and then if you want to see the backup camera, pop it in reverse. There's your backup camera and your backing guides, glove compartment, and as you come up here you've got your glasses holder and your map reading lights, and this glasses holder doubles as a conversation mirror so you can see the folks in back, and then your sunroof. And that about wraps it up for this HR-V on the interior. This vehicle does have a branded title. There was an impact here on the front passenger quarter panel. The airbag's deployed, but there was no structural damage, so we got it all fixed up. And it has passed the 150-point inspection and the state of Utah safety inspection. For more inventory, visit us at tjchapmanauto.com. In the spirit of full disclosure, here is a copy of the original label for your vehicle, so you can see what it was equipped with straight out of the factory.